Okay, let's begin. We're going to be creating an Instagram post 1080 by 1080 for my beauty retouching business. So it's going to be a nice, light little post that you can make. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a background. So I'm just adding a normal square here. And then I already uploaded the elements that I'll be using. This is an example of the post that I made before this tutorial. So let me just add the picture of the model here. And then what I want to do is I want to make the background blend in a bit more with the model. So I'm going to select the background, select color, and then from the photo colors, I'm going to choose this light one here. And that looks good. Now the reason why we do this is because I also want to go ahead and blend in a part of her, this bottom part, with the background so that it has a seamless gradient going up. So I'm going to go ahead to elements and search for transparent gradient, and I'm going to choose this one. Drag it to the bottom left like this. And then I want to change the color of the gradient to that same light color of the background. And that's what we have. Now we need to get this to go all the way across the page. So with it selected, do Ctrl D or right click and select duplicate. And just drag that across, duplicate again, and duplicate one last time to finish things off like that. Now we also want to kind of blend in this part. We don't want to see her shoulder here. So I'm going to do one more duplicate, but I'm going to rotate it anti-clockwise by 90 degrees and just pull that in like so. So it gives us a little more real estate to work with in terms of what we can add to the page. So that's good. Now I want to go ahead and add the little accent stuff to it. So the first thing I'll add is my logo. So this here is my logo for my photography / retouching business. Imagine that shot. And then I also want to add my website. So this is the website for my digital products, imaginedigitalstore.com. I want to make this a darker color or darker shade of the background like that, and then change the font. Yeah, that works. So let me just bring it down a bit to 30 font size and place that there. The next thing I want to do is I want to add a couple social media icons over here. I'm going to just add, say, the Instagram logo. Oh, wow, I was in text. Let's do that again. So we're doing the Instagram logo here. Let's choose this one. I'm going to drag it to the top right. Change the color to the same dark color as the color of the website here. I also want to add Facebook. So I'm going to search for Facebook icon or logo, both work. And I want to have it in line with this one, and also change the color to be a bit darker. Perfect. Now, for the message or like the title of this, I want to make it just to have something that says beauty retouching, but I really do want just the girl to be the focal point. So I'm not going to make the text too big. So let me go ahead and create first a heading, and I'll say beauty. Then duplicate this and call this one retouching. Just like that. Now I want it to position a little bit over here so that I can now send it to back. Bring the fade down below it. Right. Send this behind her head like that. And I want to change the color again to just be a darker shade. I also want to change the font of the beauty and the retouching, and I'm going to change this font to Sanchez. I believe that's the one I used. And then resize retouching, and I want to use a script font for this, which is going to be Clicker Script. Yeah, that's the name for it. And change the color of this as well. So now we have beauty retouching, just like this, and our logo, social icons, and website. So for the final touch, I just want to add some sparkle, some shine. So I'm going to look for star in, I'm always doing this in text. Let's do star and see all graphics. We're going to use this one. So I'm going to add a bunch of stars over the image. I'm going to change the color again to just be a darker shade of our background. Duplicate this, make it smaller, so we have a star there. I can duplicate this smaller star as well, change the color to white. And from here, you can just make duplicates and bring them to wherever you want. There's some duplicates of the white, here's some duplicate of the brown. And just like that, you have a really nice post that you can, add to your Instagram page for whatever it is that you do. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell icon, leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll be making regular videos like this to show you how you can use Canva to make some really simple but beautiful designs for whatever business that you have. So yeah, stick around and let's have some fun in Canva.